Hi, today we are comparing the Dell Alienware M16 R2 versus Dell Alienware 16 Aurora.
First, let's go to Display Comparison. All the laptop specs in this video is based on the manufacturer's website. If you have any corrections or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the like button for more videos. Thank you, and let's dive back into our comparison. Now let's go to the I/O ports. Now in the communications comparison. Now let's get into the GPU specs comparison. Next is the processing comparison. Now let's move into the memory and storage comparison. Next is the design and features. Price comparison. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more laptop comparisons. Thank you, and see you in our next video.